Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 4 styles to keep your hair off your shoulders in this hot sun. Stay tuned. So I typically like to start any kind of slick back style with all of the tools that I need. I'll have all of these linked down below, and of course a spray bottle. And I'm going to be styling my hair on a day 3 wash and go. So this first style, you mainly want to wet down the front of your hair because that's the part that you're going to be moving around the most. So I'm just going to take my rat tail comb and part my hair from the top of my head all the way down to my ear. So like right behind my ear. So that is where the part is going to start and then end. So it doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm just going to tie up the back to get it out of the way and then spray the front down just a little bit more. By the way, in the spray bottle, I do have just cold water and Chi Silk infusion, and it makes the biggest difference in maneuvering your hair around. So that's a pro tip for you guys. So now I'm just going to take my rat tail comb and part my hair in the middle diagonally. So I'm going to do one diagonal part. And then I'm just going to clip away the side that I'm not working with yet. And then I'm going to take my Rosemary Mint Eco Styler Gel. I've been loving this one. This is a limited edition. So go to Walmart or Ulta and pick it up before they are not selling this one anymore. And I'm just going to be using this to twist my hair. So I'm just going to be twisting my hair away from my face, all the way from that diagonal part all the way down to my ear. And then I'm just going to secure it with a clear elastic. And you can like tighten it if you want to, if it loosens. So now I'm just going to clamp that side down with the same duckbill clip and do the exact same thing to the other side. So I just apply a little bit of gel in the front and then I begin twisting. So you don't need a whole lot of gel for this, but you do want enough to smooth down any flyaways. It is a little bit white as you can see, but the whiteness of this gel goes away. It's probably because it's mixing in with whatever I have in my hair, which was my Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner, but the whiteness went away after a few minutes. Now I'm just going to take my hair in a ponytail in the back with my nice thick scrunchie. I get these from Target, and I like to double mine just because it's quicker. You don't have to like wrap your hair around as many times. So I'm just going to wrap this around twice. So that's one, and then the second time you're going to want to leave out your ends. So that's what I'm going to do here. This doesn't have to be super tight. So I'm just going to leave out my curly ends, and then I'm just going to hit them with a little bit of that Chi Silk infusion water just to refresh the curls at the ends, because like I said, I think this is like 3rd or 4th day hair and my hair was a little crusty. So I'm just taking a little bit of Eco Styler gel on any frizzy pieces, not all of the frizzy pieces, just some of them, because this style doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm just going to take a little bit of gel, and then I'm going to smooth out the back just a little bit so my kitchen is, nice and smooth. And then I'm going to take a claw clip and clamp up the rest of the hair in the back so that it's like lifted just a little bit. And then I'm going to take my Kaleidoscope So Slick braiding and grip gel and hit my baby hairs so that they're nice and smooth. Now on to style number 2, I'm going to spray my hair with a little bit more water in the front. And now I'm going to be going on the side of my head, and I'm going to be doing a zigzag part. Now I haven't done a zigzag part in the longest time, so this took me like 3 tries. So you're basically going to be doing a diagonal part in the opposite direction of the part that you did before to create the zigzag effect. So after you've gotten your part the way you want it, you just want to spray your hair down with some more water, because this style is going to be pretty sleek. And then I'm going to add some more of my Eco Styler gel to my hair. And then I'm going to take my Felicia Leatherwood brush. I love how hard this brush is because it gets all the way to the roots. This is an excellent brush if you have super thick hair and it's hard to get all the way to the roots and you don't want like any like lumps and bumps. So I love this brush. So I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail using the same scrunchie that I used before. And then I'm going to take my bristle brush, my Goody bristle brush, to smooth everything down once again to finish it off. Now I'm just going to twist the hair that's in the ponytail 2 times because I'm going to be using my claw clip again. And by the way, this claw clip that I'm using is amazing. It's one of the best that I've ever used because I always break them. This one is from Pattern Beauty. I'll have it linked in the description box as well. It's amazing. If your hair is thick, you know that all claw clips are not created equal. So I love this one from Pattern Beauty. It just holds my hair down, literally. Okay, so moving on to hairstyle number 3. This one is probably the most simple and the one that some of you probably already do, but I just love a good classic, sleek, simple bun. So I didn't have to really do much to my hair. I just parted normal. I just did a straight part on the exact same side and put my hair back in a slick ponytail, and I added a tad bit more gel because some of my flyaways did come back up, and I'm just going to be spraying down my ponytail, and I'm just going to twist it. You don't have to brush it out or anything if you don't want to, because I'm just going to wrap this twist around to create the bun. And then I'm going to secure it with a smaller scrunchie and then just hit these edges. This is like one of my favorites to do with hoops. So I always like to add some hoops just because it just gives it that extra, you know. And these are actually my small hoops. I have bigger ones, but this is just so cute and sleek and pretty. All right, so this last one is for my ponytail girls. So I'm just going to take my Felicia Leatherwood brush and brush my hair all the way up. So I'm just adding some gel to the front and the back. And I'm just going to be securing my hair with my nice thick chunky scrunchie. And my arms were so tired after doing this because I did wrap this around like 3 times. And then now I'm just going to be adding some gel to my ends. And I'm going to leave out a small piece of my hair and then braid the rest because we're going to be using that one later. So the hair that you left out, now you just want to twist that, and we're going to be wrapping that around the scrunchie. This is really cute for the weekend if you're going out to dinner. If you have a dress that you want to like show off your shoulders. So I just love a nice sleek high pony. So I'm just adding a little bit more gel and a little bit more of my Kaleidoscope braid edge gel just to refresh everything, to make sure everything is nice and sleek. And that is it. So this is also a really good style for some hoochie hoops. Let me know down below which one was your favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time.